Anthropic has officially released Claude Sonnet 5, bringing another round of improvements to coding, tool use, and AI agent workflows. While the update itself isn't a dramatic leap, it reflects where enterprise AI is heading. So instead of reviewing the model, let's look at a more practical question. How can organizations use AI agents securely? Imagine asking an AI assistant to prepare a project summary. Instead of simply answering one question, the agent can follow an entire workflow. It opens documents, searches for missing information, compares data, generates a report, and delivers the final result with very little user intervention. That's why AI agents are becoming increasingly useful in everyday business. But there's another side to every workflow. To complete these tasks, AI may need access to internal documents, source code, contracts, customer information, or financial reports. Without proper security controls, employees could accidentally upload confidential files to external AI services, while security teams have little visibility into what data is being shared and with which AI platforms. So how can organizations keep AI workflows productive while maintaining visibility and control? With AnySecura, organizations can define which AI platforms employees are allowed to access, helping enforce AI usage policies across the business. Sensitive files remain transparently encrypted, so critical data stays protected even during everyday work. If a confidential document is about to be uploaded to an external AI platform, the upload can be detected and blocked before the data leaves the organization. Meanwhile, every interaction with AI tools like Claude can be logged and audited, giving security teams a clear view of AI usage, policy violations, and potential risks, all from a centralized dashboard. The result is simple. Employees can work with AI efficiently while organizations retain full visibility and control over their sensitive data. As AI agents become part of everyday work, security needs to become part of every workflow. AnySecura helps organizations adopt AI with confidence through centralized visibility, policy enforcement, and built-in data protection. Start your free trial today and experience secure AI adoption in action.